Welcome back. Good morning. Today we are going to start with exercise 2.2. I hope you have done the previous homework, that is exercise 2.1. The exercise that we are starting today, it does not include any new formula. So just we need to put the values. So this exercise is easy enough to handle. Let's start with this. See this exercise 2.2 question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial. Polynomial is given. So I am writing px. So any polynomial we can write, we can assume that polynomial as px, means polynomial in terms of x. If the variable used inside this, if the variable used is x in the polynomial, so we'll write here x. If the variable used here is y, then we'll write here y. Okay, so polynomial in terms of y or polynomial in terms of x in this way. So px is equal to what it is given, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now very first rule, and then make this your habit. If you will not do this in this question, what I am going to tell you now, still the answer will be correct. Still you should know this, that first of all you should write the polynomial in descending order of their power. Means first of all we will write 4x square minus 4x square, then plus 5x. This is standard form. I have told you about that this is the standard form. First of all square will come, then simple x, then the constant term. Okay, after writing this, what we need to do, this is the first part where x we have to put 0. So in place of all x we have to put 0. So polynomial, in place of x we are putting 0. So it is minus 4 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 3. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 3. So this is equals to 3 in total. So this is the answer. If we are putting value of x, if we are putting value of x 0, then we are getting answer 3. Okay, let's check for the second part. That is x is equals to minus 1. So put the value of x as minus 1. Okay, in this new equation we have to put minus 1 is equals to minus 4 minus 1 square, then plus minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so it is minus 4 and minus 1 square is 1, then minus 5 plus 3, minus 4 minus 5 plus 3, and it is minus 9 plus 3. So it is equal to minus 6. So this way we can do the third part also. Third part, it is saying that x is equal to 2 in third part. So we will put the value of x 2. So p2 is equals to minus 4 2 square plus 5 2 then plus 3. So it is minus 4 into 4 plus 10 plus 3. So it is minus 16 plus 13. So it is equal to minus 3. So here we have done with this and it is over. Okay, so simple. What we have done, just we have put the values. Okay, now in the same way we can do the second question also. Look for the second question. In second question, see what we need to calculate. We need to calculate P0. See what it is written in the question. We need to calculate P0. Okay, then P1 and P2 in each of the following cases. So in first, what is our polynomial? Polynomial in terms of y is given y square minus y plus 1. So put the values 0, 0 square minus 0 plus 1, 0 minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So P1 is equal to 1 square. Just put the values, simple, very easy exercise. 1 minus 1 0, so answer is 1. Now put the value 2, 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 1, so it will be 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. So in this way we have to count all the three values, the first part. In the same way you can do the second part, okay, third part and the fourth part itself. Okay, all are same. Still, let me help you in some. So second you have to do by your own. Okay, I am doing third part for you. Third part, see this, it is px is equals to x cube. So first of all it is p0, so it will be 0 cube 0. Okay, p1 1 cube 1 and p2. These are all easy parts. Second part I have left for you. See the fourth part. x minus 1 and x plus 1. So first of all p0, that will be 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 1. Minus 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, so answer is equals to minus 1. In the same way, p1 we can calculate, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, just put the values and it is 0. Then p2 we can calculate, 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1 in bracket. If they are in bracket, it means they are in multiplication. Okay, in between it is multiply always. So it is 1 into 3, that is equals to 3. So this way we can calculate the answers, and it's all easy. So we have done first and second question. Let us move on to third part. Now one thing, let me tell you, I have told you about zero of polynomial. What is zero of polynomial? Zero of polynomial is that number with the help of which we get answer 0. For example, do we get anywhere answer 0? Look here, when we have put this value, look in this question, when we have put value 1, then we got answer 0. So what is the 0 of polynomial for this question? It is 1. X, when x was equals to 1, then we got answer 0. So that's why 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. So this way we need to check now in for third question. See this, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. See this, first px is equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, and the value of x is given minus 1 by 3. Now we need to put the value minus 1 by 3 in place of x. So this value, whatever is given no next to it, this value we have to put inside. So minus 1 by 3, where is the negative, we put it in bracket. 3 and 3 cancel, they are in multiplication, that's why. So minus 1 plus 1, and it is equal to 0. So if your answer is coming 0, it means we will write yes, minus 1 by 3 is 0. No need to write yes, just write directly minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the given polynomial, and given polynomial is represented by px because it is written here px. Okay, so minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. Clear, no? So this is also very easy question. So question number third, first part we have done. Let us move on to the second part. See second part, px is equals to 5x minus pi. Again, let me write once, 5x minus pi, where the value of x is 4 upon 5. Do not put the value of pi here, just write this, 4 by 5 equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. 5 and 5 cancels out, so it is 4 minus pi. So here it is not 0, because if you will put the value of pi also, no, it will not come 0. If you want to put, you can minus 22 by 7, it will be something like this. Then LCM, 728, 8 and 2, 302 minus 22 by 7, and it is 6, 286 by 7. Okay, so this is not equal to 0. So therefore 4 by 5 is not the 0 of px. It's not the 0 of px. Simple. Just put, you need to put the values. After putting the values, if you are getting answer 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. If you are not getting answer 0, it means it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Over and out. This way it will be over. Okay, so in this way you can do all these parts. Let us do this question, the third question. See, in third question, px is equals to x square minus 1, where x is equals to 1 and minus 1. Okay, let us see. First of all, there are now two values are given. One is 1 and one is minus 1. So first of all we are taking, put x is equals to 1. First of all we are taking 1. So with 1, what answer we are getting? 1 minus 1, and it is 0. Fine. Okay, then we are getting we are putting now value minus 1. So with minus 1 square minus 1, so it is 1 minus 1, and it is equals to 0. So 1 and minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial, that is px. Okay, and this I have written and in between, uh, like this. 1 and minus 1 are zeros of the given polynomial. So this way, because in both the answers we got a 0. After this, in the same way you can do the fourth part. Okay, same way you can do fifth part. I am doing now sixth and seventh parts for you, and these three you have to do by your own. Fourth, fifth, and eighth. Okay, so sixth and seventh part we are doing. Sixth is Lx plus m. Sixth part, Px is equals to Lx plus m, where x is equals to minus m upon L. Okay, see it carefully, it is L here and here. Okay, so putting the value minus m upon L. So L multiply minus m upon L, then plus m. So plus m. L and L cancels out. So here we have minus m plus m. Same number, opposite sign, 0. Okay, because m minus m is 0. So here also we got the answer 0. So minus m by L is 0 of the given polynomial, that is px. Okay, the last is one more that I am telling you, 3x square minus 1. So px is given 3x square minus 1, and the value of x are minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. So first of all we are putting the value minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1. So 3 minus 1 square will be positive 1. Then root 3 square is 3 minus 1, because I told you in first chapter root 3 into root 3 will be 3 root. Okay, same number in root will make that number out of the root, because it is something like this. The 2 of the number will multiply under the root, then this will make pair, and pair will come out as 3. So it is 3, then 3 and 3 cancels out, so it is 1 minus 1, and that is equal to 0. Okay, let us check the second value, p 2 by root 3. So it is 3 2 by root 3 square minus 1. Wait. So here 3 into 4 by 3 minus 1, 3 cancels, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here only one of the value is giving answer 0. So minus 1 by root 3 is 0. We'll write minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of px, and 2 by root 3 is not 0 of the given polynomial in terms of x. So here we have done with this. So we have done the first 3 questions of the exercise, and we are moving on to the last question of the exercise. See, the first 3 questions are all same, and the last question is just different from these 3 questions, but it is important. Question number 4, find 0. Now we need to find the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, 0 is not given, you have to find now the 0 of this. So how to find 0? You have to write, for finding 0, always you have to put polynomial equals to 0. If you want to calculate the 0 of the polynomial, then you have to put the polynomial in equals to 0. So let px equals to 0. Px, what is px here? X plus 5. So x plus 5 will be equals to 0. So what is the value of x here? 5 will go that side, will come minus 5. So this is the answer. We can write minus 5 is 0, 0 of the polynomial. In place of polynomial, you can write px. So minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial in terms of x. How? If you want to verify this answer, you can verify. Suppose, look here, till here only we have to do in the question. I am just telling you that minus 5 is the 0. For that, you can put the value minus 5 in this to check our answer is coming 0 or not. See, in this question, I have put the value of x as minus 5 because we got minus 5. So it is minus 5 plus 5, 0. We are getting no. It means minus 5 is 0. So how to calculate 0? Whenever we have to calculate 0, this is the rule that put the polynomial equals to 0. So x plus 5 will be equals to 0. So x equals to minus 5 we can write here. Clear? I hope this is clear. If it's clear, so we can do the rest of the parts even. Okay, I'm doing rest of the parts this side. Okay, moving on to question number 4, second part, where is x minus 5. Let us write like this: px is equal to x minus 5. Again, wait. Okay, question number 4, second part, write like this always: px is equals to x minus 5. So what we need to do for finding zeros? Put px equals to 0. If px is equal to 0, then x minus 5 will be equal to 0. And what is the value of x? 5. So this is the answer. In the same way, you can do all the parts. I will do a few more parts for you. Is 2x plus 5. So put polynomial equals to 0. So it will be 2x plus 5 equals to 0. First of all, 5 will go that side, it will go minus 5. Then 2 will go that side for division. So minus 5 by 2 is the answer. So in this way, you can calculate the fourth part also. Okay, the part fourth, 1, 2, 3 we have done. Okay, and we are doing now the last 3 parts. Find fourth by your own. Now fifth part. See fifth part. Here only. Px is equals to 3x. So put Px equals to 0. So 3x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 by 3. So it will be equal to 0. So 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Okay, this way you can do in the same manner sixth part also, where px is given ax, and whatever this is written, no, ignore this. They are telling just here a is not equal to 0, so nothing to do with this. In the same way, in this question also, c is not equal to 0 and c and d are real numbers, nothing to do with this. Okay, just they are giving us the additional information they're giving us, so it will not affect as a should not be equal to 0. They are telling us here a is not equal to 0. So what to do? Put px equals to 0. So ax will be equal to 0. So x will be equal to 0 upon a, and it is equals to 0. What? We will put ax equals to 0. Fine. First of all, px equals to 0, then ax equals to 0, then x equals to 0 upon a, and it will be finally equals to 0. Now the last and seventh part. What is seventh part? Seventh part is this. Look, px is equal to cx plus d. So to find 0, put polynomial is equal to 0. So cx plus d will be equal to 0, and cx equals to minus d, and x will be equal to minus d upon c. Simple and sober. So in this way, we have completed our exercise 2.2 today. what we have completed, our exercise 2.2 we have done. Sweet. Let me write for you. So your homework, this much only we'll do today. So your homework for today is do exercise 2.2 in fair notebook. 2.2, all questions, okay, all parts, okay, from NCRD, obviously. Is it clear? So complete this, and if for any problem, some of the students are commenting below if they have any problem. So I should know. Okay, you have to intimate me, sir. I have a problem in this. So some of the students are talking me on WhatsApp also. So you are free to contact. Okay. Okay. Bye. Take care.